Welcome back to Clear Task. If you are a clan leader in Clash Royale and accidentally turned on family-friendly mode, your clan chat is likely heavily filtered, and the toggle button is completely locked. Today, I will show you the only proven method to turn it off. First, let's clarify how the filters work. If you only need to disable the basic profanity filter for your personal viewing, tap the menu icon on your homepage, go to Settings, select More Settings, and toggle off Filter Clan Chat. However, Supercell designed the clan-wide family-friendly setting to be permanent. You cannot simply uncheck the box in your clan settings to revert the entire clan. To remove family-friendly mode from your clan entirely, the official clan leader must contact Supercell Support directly. Here is exactly what you need to do. Open Clash Royale. Tap the menu icon and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Help and Support. Open a support conversation and request to speak directly with an agent. You must bypass the automated bots to reach a real support staff member. Clearly state that you are the clan leader. Explain that you accidentally enabled family-friendly mode, and request that they manually revert your clan back to a standard clan. Only the official clan leader can submit this request. It typically takes support agents 24 to 48 hours to process the change and restore your normal chat. If support declines or cannot process the request, your only remaining option is to start a brand new clan. If this guide helped you fix your clan settings, please drop a like and subscribe to Clear Task for more direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.